I just received this from Amazon today. It's the 23-liter size of a dehumidifier box by Patu. And I just got it, I took it out of the box. I'll show you guys. I'm going to do a detailed review of it later on, but I figured I'd just at least demonstrate for now what it has. So, comes with this nylon case inside, some instructions. This box is a storage strap. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Shoulder strap, sorry. I'm not planning on carrying this around much. This actually is going to go straight into my shelf. And let's see. Came with these two identical boxes. I believe these are the desiccant. Yeah, it's the renewable dehumidifier. This one. Same way. Here's the nylon bag. I just took it out of the plastic. I'm gonna open it up and show you. Oh yeah, so it's got nice dividers in here. Very typical type of thing. You can adjust the Velcro to fit things accordingly. Give you a closer look at this. So yeah, this is the renewable dehumidifier. It comes with two of them, as I showed you. And as you can see, the plug comes out here. So when you need to dry out the desiccant, you go ahead and plug this in. And I'm not sure how long. I'll check out the instructions and provide that. And it comes a more up-close look at the box from overhead. As you can see, there's a nice little gauge right here. Let's see. The zippers for hanging out, blocking this. So let me see how easily it, that's better. So here I have a variety of lenses, different sizes. That's an A7 II with a 70 to 210 millimeter old Minolta on there, and these are various sizes. Okay, this is a G Master Sony 85 millimeter, 35 millimeter Sony f1.4 Zeiss. These two are smaller. One's a 30 millimeter macro, 28 millimeter. Rokinon 14 millimeter 2.8. I'm sorry, this is actually Helios 44-2. Let's try this. I'll just do this right in front of you guys. I'll rearrange a little. You might not be able to tell here, but these things are sort of stacked up. This might be a little odd. But I'll just do it this way to get it in there. So this is the A7 II with the 70 to 210 on there. Ooh, yeah, it fits in there. As you can see, I could do this better, but this is, wow, this is actually fitting a lot better than I thought. So I've got a whole bunch of lenses in here. Here's one renewable desiccant pack. And if they had to, I guess. I actually think there would be room for me to put my second body, which I'm filming with. So right up here I'm filming with an A6000, and it's got the 18 to 105 lens on it. I think it could go in. It'd be kind of tight, but my intention wasn't to have this store my lenses this way all the time. I just wanted to have something that could keep most of my stuff dry, and let's say at least my most expensive lenses. On humid days, or let's say I had been in on a humid photo shoot outside, if I wanted to come back and dry stuff out, I wanted to make sure it could fit a large amount of stuff, and wow, it looks like it does. So let's zip it up. There's 2 zippers. And there we go. Not bad. I'll give a review of this later on as I use it, but let's suffice to say this is a good box opening / initial demo video for all of you who, like me, wondered how much this thing could fit. So come back soon for a review on this.